lost access to Roblox Authenticator. So if this video helped you, click that subscribe button and that bell icon on so you'll be updated if there are uploads in this channel. So if you have lost access to your authenticator, this is what you should do. So first go on to Roblox and then click on logged in. Just like as usual, just log in your account by typing in your email or your username and your password. And after that, just click on log in. So this will log in your account to Roblox. So here in Roblox, go to the settings and go to security. As you can see here, two-step authentication is turned off, so just turn it on and verify through your email or your password. Just click in password and you are able to, or it asks you to enter a backup code that was given to you before. So just type in the backup code that you have for your Roblox. In this way you can verify the two-step verification process and you can access the authentication. And after that you have verified, you can now turn on your authenticator app so you would be secured for your account. So I hope this helps you and see you on the next video.